Today we're going to be looking at how to install hub-centric rings on this 2005 GMC Envoy XL.
3, 2, 1.
I'm sure you all heard that old saying, if you want something done right, you have to do it yourself. And that's why we're doing today's video. I picked these rims up for my 2005 GMC Envoy XL. Moto metal wheels. They're really nice, 17" by 8. And I had a shop order them for me and put them on. And come to find out that as I started driving, I was getting shaking. And the shaking got worse as I accelerated at faster speeds. And so I did some investigating, and I actually took it to a tire shop that had the proper machines, and they rechecked the wheels for me, and they had to be rebalanced. So the shop that originally put them on didn't balance them correctly. And I also found out that there's no hub center rings. They keep the spacing between the actual hub right here. This is your hub of your car, and this is the wheel itself. Now you can notice there's a little bit of a gap in there, and if this was the actual stock rim, it would be sitting properly on the hub. But since it's an aftermarket rim, you need hub rings, hub-centric rings, which the shop that originally put the tires on did not do. So anytime you put aftermarket rims on the car, if the hub doesn't exactly match the size of the wheel bore diameter of the rim, you need hub-centric rings, because you're going to get a vibration, especially at higher speeds. And what that's going to do is that's going to cause your lugs to actually shear off while you're driving, because you're going to get a wobble, and this is going to be off center. It's not going to sit exactly on center because there's nothing in this space to hold it. So that's the purpose of the hub-centric ring. Now, I ordered these rings on Amazon for $7. So some of them are stamped. This one has a stamp on it with the exact size that I needed. Now that's millimeters. The 78.1 is the stock size of the vehicle itself, and the 87.1 is the actual wheel bore diameter. Now, if you don't know these measurements, you can take a measurement for millimeters, or you can bring it to somebody that can professionally measure them if you're not sure, or you can look it up on the internet. You'll find anything on the internet, all your measurements, all your stats. Look on the home page of the wheel that you get, and you can go from there. To make sure they fit exactly, the outside diameter of the ring is supposed to fit this wheel bore diameter. So you have to make sure that's a perfect fit, which it is. Fits right in there. And then you check the inside diameter to make sure that fits correctly over the hub, which it does. And that's an exact fit. Now that stays just like that. Nothing used to secure it. When the wheel is on itself, that just holds it in and it doesn't move. And that'll hold the wheel directly center of the actual bore. And that should take out your vibration. Now the ring is taking up that extra space between the hub and the rim itself. And I got 3 more rims to do, and then we'll take it for a test drive. And no shaking. 65, no shaking. Beautiful. Love it. Hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.